This is our new motion sensor kitchen trash can. Let's do unboxing, guys. Actually, inopen ko na yan. Ayan. So, the lid of this is black. Kasi walang stainless. This one is lighter compared to the other one. And this one is also plastic, hindi stainless. And also, it has ring. So, ito na yung pinakalaman. So, there is a free trash can bag. Pero yung ginagamit namin merong scents or mabango. Ito wala. I remove this part of black objects inside. Ito kasi yung protection while, on transportation para maiwasan ang tear, yung mga pagyupi, ganon. Lalo stainless to. I'm putting the trash bag now. Ito yung sa amin talaga, yung mabango. AA battery, so 3 lang kailangan this motion trash can. Kasi yung aming isa, luma, 6 kasi yun, magastos. 1, 2, and 3. Tapos, ayan, ilalagay ko yan sa loob. This is our new motion sensor kitchen trash can. And this is the old one. 5 years old, time to let go. O diba, we love matchy-matchy guys.